Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to make a 3D PA chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. And show you how to do it. Right. And first open Google Sheets and create new project or open your old project. Okay, open project and click on this and click on this. Okay, and select all category and select all amount. Okay, and left corner click on insert, scroll down and click on chart. Okay, and click on right corner chart type and click on this, scroll down and search PA and select this 3D PA chart and click on this. Alright, you create 3D PA chart. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.